All right, so in this video, we're going to walk through the process of finding the midpoint between 2 points. And essentially, the formula is to find the average of your two values. And then put them in each coordinate. So let's look at some examples. Find the midpoint of the line segment connecting the points 7 minus 2 and 3 6. So our midpoint is going to be 7 plus 3 divided by 2 and negative 2 plus 6 divided by 2. And 7 plus 3 is 10. And negative 2 plus 6 is 4. And so we're going to get the 0.52. And that makes sense, right? Because it is in between these two values. 5 is 2 units away from 7 and 2 units away from 3. And 2 is 4 units away from negative 2 and 4 more units away from 6. And so that is right in the middle of those 2 points. And of course, we can generalize this to 3 dimensions. So find the midpoint of the line segment connecting the points -1, 5, -4, and 4, 2, 11. So what is our midpoint going to be? Well, it's going to be -1 plus 4 over 2. And then it's going to be 5 plus 2 over 2. And then it's going to be -4 plus 11 over 2. And so that's going to give me 3 over 2 and 7 over 2 and also 7 over 2. That did not work right. Let's try this again. There we go. That's better. So completely generalizes to 3 dimensions, and you won't always get whole numbers, which is also totally fine. And again, you could double check this. 1.5, how far away is that from 4? That's 2.5 units, and that is also 2.5 units away from -1. And again, you could do this analysis, but it would get you equal distances from each of the coordinate system, each of the points of the coordinates, and therefore this would be the midpoint. This is a useful formula to have, of course, if you're trying to find the center of a circle or the center of a sphere from 2 endpoints on a diameter, because then the center of the circle or the center of the sphere would be at the midpoint of that diameter.